Good morning, everyone. My name is Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Information Technology in Deviraju Institute of Technology, Narsapur. My course name is Python Programming. My topic is files. Now, explaining the files in Python. Now, what is the file? First is a file. What is the file? File is a collection of information or data which store the data permanent in the computer storage devices. What is the file? File is a collection of information or data which store the data permanently in the computer storage devices called a file. It is a definition for file. Generally, files are divided in two categories. How many types are there? Files in two categories. One is a text file, another one is a binary files. Files are two types. One is a text files. It is a .txt files. Is a binary files. Text files only understandable in human. Binary files understandable only computer. This is understandable in computer understandable files. These two are files categories. First one is a text files. What is the definition of text files? Text files are simply text. In this type file, each line of text terminated with a special character called a EOL. It is called a end of line. Text files are simply text. In this type of file, each line of text is terminated with a special character. That is called a EOL, means end of line. Example of files, text files, Word file, PDF, PPT. These are the example for text files. It's understandable everywhere. Human understandable files. It's called a text files. Okay, understand? Next one is a binary files. In this type of file, there is a no terminator for a line. In the data is stored after converting into machine understandable binary language. What is the meaning? In this type of file, there is a no terminator for a line. Okay, and the data is stored after converting into machine understandable binary language. ఎప్పుడు స్టోర్ అయితే డేటా కన్వర్టింగ్ అయిన తర్వాత మాత్రమే డేటా is stored in computer. This is called a computer understandable language. It extension of .b means binary files. How? First, how to create the text files in Python. In Python, how to create the text files? We can create the text file using this syntax. What is the syntax for files in Python? First one is a variable name. Variable name. Next, what is the open dot? It is a file text, which means a file name. Next one is a file mode. What is the syntax for text for create the text files? What is the first is a variable name equal open. Open means open the file. This is the file name. What is right here? File dot text. It is a file mode. File mode meaning append, read, write. On any operation that is using the here, this is called a file mode. But example now, f equal open. F means variable name. F is called variable. What is the variable here? F. F is a variable. Open. It is a hello.txt means it is a file name. It is a file name. It is a file name. Next, what is the operation mode for this called a file mode? This is a W plus. You understand syntax in files? What is the file syntax for? Variable name equal open. This is a file name. What is the file name here? File dot text. Example. It is a file mode. What is the mode means? It is the write operation, the read operation, append operation. Right? The mode of here. Now example, f equal open. This is f it is a variable. Open means open. Now create a file means open the file. You open bracket open. Write down the file name. What is the file name here? Hello.txt. Hello.txt. Comma. It is a operation mode. This is called a file mode. What is the operation mode here given? WPS. Now one note is there here. What happened here? Actually in WPS operation, we declare the variable f to open a file. We declare the file open a file. Name.hello.txt. This is called a file name. Open takes two arguments. The file that we want to open White means double plus means two arguments. What is the first one? The file that we want to open. First open and string that represent the kind of permission operation or we want to on this file. Aim operation in the write the double plus means write operation. Here we use the double letter in our argument which indicates the write time. The plus sign that means it will create the file if does not exist in library. Okay, this is not there in our dictionary of allo.txt lekapothe it is really the create chesadi and plot operation kuda chesadi. This is called a double plus operation. Understand? Now once again we declare the variable f means it open the file name dot allo.txt. F means it represent the file dot clear outundi. This is open takes two arguments unnai. The file that want to open and string that represent the kind of permission operation we want to fund this file. Em cheyalanuntunna aa mode kuda telustadi. Here what is the meaning of double letter in our argument which indicate the write and the plus sign that means it will create file if does not exist in library. Okay, the file lo library lekapothe create kuda chestadi. This is the double plus mode. The available option beside W for R, where R for read and A for append and plus sign mean if not there in the create it. Edantlo na W gaani R gaani A gaani indulo aina using a plus. What the plus sign means? If does not the file, it create the new one. That is a plus sign. This is a create the text files. Now files modes in Python. What is the mode? What is the description? Now it is a R means it is a opening file or reading. And reading already created a file read here and using the R file. This means R means read. What is the description? Open a file for reading. It is a default. Already created a file read here and using the R. That means read. Next one is a mode. W means it is a write operation. Open a file for writing. This is for open a file for writing. Create a new file if does not exist or truncate the file if it exists. Okay, file ఏం చేస్తుంది write operation it is a write చేస్తుంది but create a new file if does not exist. Okay, లేకపోతే file create చేస్తుంది or truncate the file if it exists. ఒకవేళ ఫైల్ లో డాటా ఉంటుంది truncates means erase the data. What is the meaning of truncates? Erase the data. Truncate means it is erase the data. This is the write operation. How many modes are completed? Two modes. One is a read, one is a write. Next one is a X. X means open a file for exclusive creation. ఇంతకుముందు క్రియేట్ చేస్తుంది. If the already exist, the operation fails. Okay, like just file ఉంటే ఆ operation అనేది fails. This is the X mode. Next mode is a A. A means it is a append. Append means open a file appending at the end of the file without truncated. Creates a new file if does not exist. Append means already text లో ఉన్న డాటా కి యాడ్ అవుతుంది టెక్స్ట్. ఏదైనా టెక్స్ట్ ఓపెన్ ఫైల్ చేసాం ఫైల్ లో యాడ్ చేయాలంటే ఇంకో ఏదైనా డాటా యూజింగ్ ద అపెండ్. మరి వైట్ ఆపరేషన్ ఏమవుతుంది దాన్ని ట్రంకేట్ చేస్తే ట్రంకేట్ మీద డిలీట్ చేసి న్యూ డాటా యాడ్ అవుతుంది. కానీ అపెండ్ లో ఓల్డ్ డాటా ఉంటుంది అండ్ ఆటో యాడ్ ఇంకో నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ కానీ పేరా కానీ యాడ్ అవుతుంది. దట్ ఇస్ ఇట్. ఒకవేళ లేకపోతే క్రియేట్ ఏ న్యూ ఫైల్. ఒకవేళ ఫైల్ లేకపోతే క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు. ఇస్ కాల్డ్ ఏ అపెండ్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ ఏ టీ. టీ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ఏ టెక్స్ట్ మోడ్. T and automatically default file. It is a text mode open call using the T. Next one binary mode. Binary mode means open in binary mode. Either binary mode open call using the B operation. B mode. Next is a plus. Plus means already I told you. What the plus means? Plus means open a file for updating, reading or writing or update using the plus sign. This is the modes in Python. How many modes are there? Total 7 modes are there. One is a read, one is a write, one is a X operation means exclusive operation, one is a append, next one is a text mode, another is a binary mode, another is a plus mode. This is updating for writing, reading and writing operation. These are the 5 modes in files in modes in Python and modes in Python. Now take the one example class of in ideally. What is software using here? Python. Now open the ideally. I create the one file, go to the save or save as, go to the save as, click the desktop. Already I created the desktop files. Here, what the files .py extension of Python is .py. Now create the files. Here don't have a file. Only files, it is a normally Python file. I create the file first. How to create the file? What is the syntax for files? Now let's see. What is the variable name? Variable name. Variable name. Open file dog. This is the syntax for file. Create a files in Python. Once, what is the meaning? F equal open. F means variable name. This is open created. Now, what the file name is? My file. For the txt means text file. Close, comma, and give the mode. What is the mode? Read. What is the mode given? Read. Read means read already existed file. What is the output created? One show me output. Once go to the run and run module. What is the output here? What is the meaning? File not found here. No such file directory in myfile.txt. అంటే ఏంది ఆల్రెడీ మనం క్రియేట్ చేసిన ఫోల్డర్ లో ఈ మై ఫైల్ ఉందా లేదు కాబట్టి గెట్ ద ఎర్రర్. వాట్ ద ఎర్రర్? ట్రేస్ బ్యాక్ ఏమొచ్చింది ఎర్రర్? ఫైల్ నాట్ ఫౌండ్ ఎర్రర్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద నాట్ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ఇన్ ఫైల్ మై ఫైల్.txt. మరి వాట్ డు నౌ క్రియేట్ ద ఫైల్. హౌ టు క్రియేట్ ద ఫైల్? ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం? దిస్ మీన్స్ వాట్ ద మీన్స్ రీడ్. రీడ్ మీన్స్ మనం ఏం చేసాము? రీడ్ ఆపరేషన్ చేస్తాం. రీడ్ ఆపరేషన్ అంటే ఏంది? ఆల్రెడీ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ఫైల్ మాత్రమే రీడ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ రీడ్ లేదు కాబట్టి యూజింగ్ ద రైట్ ఆపరేషన్. రైట్ ఆపరేషన్ మీనింగ్ f equal f means variable open dot myfile.txt. Here write the w. W means it is a write operation. Create a new file also. ఒకవేళ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ లేకపోతే ఫైల్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తాం. మరి ఇలా రాయాలనుకుంటే w dot write w dot write. Here write down the text. Come to Python programming lab. I given that this is the text in that file. Close the f dot close is a compulsory valamo. F close అనేది compulsory right on the close. File close. Now say execute, go to the run and run module. ఓకే, ఏం రాదు. ఒకసారి మన ఫైల్ ఫోల్డర్కి వెళ్ళి చెక్ చేసుకుందాం అసలు ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ అయిందా లేదా అనేది. వన్స్ గో టు ద మన ఫైల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఫోల్డర్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది. గో టు టెక్స్ట్ హియర్. చూడండి, వెల్కమ్ టు పైథాన్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ ల్యాబ్ ఆల్రెడీ ఆటోమేటిక్ గా క్రియేట్ అయింది. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఆపరేషన్ ఫర్ రైట్ ఆపరేషన్. ఓకే, మరి నా రీడ్ ఆపరేషన్ ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతుందో చూద్దాం. ఆల్రెడీ మనం క్రియేట్ చేసాం ఫైల్. Now using the read అవ్వాలి. మరి what is do? Once here write on the read operation. F equal open myfile.txt. This is a write on the read operation. F dot you write అవసరం లేదు కదా. This is deleted. ఏం కావాలి ఇప్పుడు మనకు? ప్రింట్ కావాలి. రీడియేషన్ ప్రింట్ డాట్ f డాట్ ఏం కావాలి? ఫైల్ నేమ్. f అనే ఫైల్ నేమ్. ఫైల్ ఆపరేషన్ ఏం కావాలి? రీడ్ ఆపరేషన్ కావాలి. రీడ్. Close. Now save and open. Go to the run and module. Sure. Read అయిపోయిందా? This is the read operation. This is the write operation. Now go to the append. Append means ఏంది? ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్న టెక్స్ట్ కి యాడ్ అవుతుంది. W means truncate అవుతుంది. కానీ append అంటే ఉన్న టెక్స్ట్ కి ఇంకా యాడ్ అవ్వాలంటే యూజింగ్ ద append operation. A what is the meaning? A అంటే append. Now append means అంటే ఎక్స్ట్రా టెక్స్ట్ యాడ్ అవ్వాలి. ఓకే, గుడ్. నెక్స్ట్ A f dot write welcome to BVRIT college. Okay, now execute, save and go to the run and execute. Okay, now show save, go and run module. Already no errors. Go to the file, check the file. So welcome to BVRIT college. Achina, this is for new line రావాలి అంటే. This is for okay. This is the append operation. ఒకవేళ రైట్ ఆపరేషన్ ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేసాం అనుకో ఏమవుతుంది చూడండి, కంట్రోల్ ప్లస్ ఎస్, సేవ్, run, clear. Once go to the check. Sure. Previous errors అయిపోయి ఓన్లీ న్యూ టెక్స్ట్ ఏదైతే రాసామో అది మాత్రమే స్టోర్ అవుతుంది. దిస్ ఈస్ ఫర్ append and write operations. You know, understand what are the modes? This is the modes for files. What is the today topic is files in Python. How many files are there? Two types of files. One is a text file, another one is a binary files. Okay. How to create the files? It is a syntax for variable name, open file.txt file mode. This is an example for F. How many modes are there in here? Total 7 modes are there. One is a read, one is a write, another is a X, one is the append, one is the text T, what is the B and plus. What is the R for? It is a reading. It is already created a file using the read here and using the R operation. Write the operation using the create okay, file does not exist, create a new file. లేదంటే ఓపెన్ ఫర్ ఫైల్ రైటింగ్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద టూ ఆపరేషన్ రైట్. This X means already exclusive files. If they already exist, the operation is fails. Next one append. Append means unna old file ke add the another text is added using the append. A means append. What the T means? T means text mode. Already use T and text mode write the text. But the next one binary. Binary means binary mode. Is understandable only computer. That is a B. Next plus updating. Updating means using the plus A plus R plus double plus. This is the open for reading and writing. At time read chesadi, at time write chesadi. This is the modes in files. Now you understand? Okay. Thank you everyone.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.